They had some issues out there with the rain and thunderstorms yesterday. Not the case here so far this morning. Low wind rain chances that we'll get to in here in just a little bit. But DFW Airport not anticipating any morning issues out there at all. And for the afternoon, too, again, coverage is going to be pretty low, it looks like, for us as we go through the day today. 71 degrees we have out there for you right now. Winds are going to be very light to calm, too, as we head out this morning. Mid and upper 60s. Heading out to Frisco, you're at 69 along with Louisville, 67 heading over to Arlington along with Benbrook here this morning, and some lower 60s as we get out to Wise County there. Bridgeport coming in at 64 along with Chico. Now, again, it will be a pretty warm afternoon. We will start to warm up a little bit more this afternoon. Upper 80s we're headed for, maybe getting closer to 90 over our far western counties here later today. It's a little bit on the steamy side as we go through the next few days, in fact, here across North Texas. Now, as far as the temperatures are concerned, look at these low 90s that's showing up as we get into tomorrow right through the weekend. So, yes, it does warm up a little bit, a little warmer, a little drier, I think, overall as we head into the next few days. Low wind, rain, and storm chances, maybe one or two as we get into this afternoon. Coverage is going to stay pretty low for us, though, as we head into this evening. Overnight tonight should be relatively quiet, and then maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm. They're going to keep hanging around as we go through the next few days. But again, coverage looks a little bit lower for us here as we take you on into Friday. We'll have that coverage today about 20% less so, I think, as we get into Friday. And you see as we get into the evening there on Saturday and Sunday over the weekend. Can't rule out some isolated showers and thunderstorms. But yeah, that coverage is going to be pretty low. But let's bring in meteorologist Maria Ruiz talking about that overall pattern here over the next few days.
Right. And as of this morning, it is looking like slimmer and slimmer rain chances for us. So let's talk about why that is. Yesterday, we showed you this area of high pressure that tends to limit any rain production. So what's happening right now and through Friday is that it's going to be positioned mainly to the south of us. It still kind of allows this window to open up and carry systems through. However, as we head into the weekend, it does look like this slides a little bit towards the north, and that's going to shrink our rain chances, bring summer-like temperatures, and we'll see less rain coverage as a result. I think there is still some room for this to wiggle in the next few days, and that could in turn change our rain coverage. So like Greg mentioned, it'll be pretty slim at about a 20% at best. On Friday in the afternoon, I mean, we could see a pop-up near areas of the Red River. On Saturday, mostly rain-free around 5 or 6. Again, we could see a pop-up shower or storm, but again, most of us staying rain-free. And on Sunday, that case again. But look at what happens Monday. Models are now, latest data showing that we could very well see an increase in rain. But again, still several days out. We're not fully convinced of that, Greg, because, you know, whenever June rolls around, rain chances tend to, well, drop.
Yeah, and usually around the middle of the month, we kind of dry up altogether. So we'll see how it all plays out here over the next few days as we look at that 14-day forecast for you. Again, those low wind storm chances as we go through the next few days. That coverage about 20%, and we'll increase that a little bit maybe on Monday as well, as Mario just talked about. But we'll have those temperatures on the warm side right through the weekend. We're going to keep it in the upper 80s through the middle of next week. And yeah, more 90s is showing up on the second half of that 14-day forecast as well. All right, let's get back over to Stacia checking on traffic.
All right.